And what does she do?
And the jaguar.
And there's a jaguar.
Things scared the what?
And the jaguar scared the witch. And what happened after that?
Boom, witch.
Boom, witch!
Boom, witch!
And did the witch run away? What happened to the witch?
Boom, boy bear. Roar.
Oh my goodness. What happened next? What happened after that, Megan?
First, the rainbow witch coming out.
First the mean witch came out, and then what happened?
The witch being high in the sky.
She was high in the sky?
The witch. I make it smaller again.
She made it smaller again?
I made a window.
Mm-hmm.
I make the polar bear fall asleep. I made a window.
And she made the polar bear fall asleep? Oh my goodness. And then what happened?
The princess takes the pet.
The princess what?
The princess takes the jaguar.
She takes the jaguar? Or she takes the jaguar? She takes the jaguar? And then what happens?
I like the princess.
You are like the princess. Oh, and there's the jaguar. You're the princess taking the jaguar. Okay, and then what happens, princess?
First, he's going inside in the castle.
He's gonna go in the castle. And then what happens?
There's the daddy queen.
The daddy queen?
There's the daddy. There's the daddy and the jaguar Martian.
And
The
daddy and the
Jaguar Martian? Uh-huh.
My goodness. Then what happens?
Then the Martian talks to Ernie.
He talks to Ernie. And what does Ernie say?
He says thank you to you.
He said thank you too. He's very polite too, huh? And then what? Ernie says thank you, and then what happens?
First, there's the new wish by the princess and the king and the jaguar, like me.
Uh-huh. Just like you, huh? Anything else happen?
First, there's the mean polar bear.
The mean polar bear? And what did he do?
He spreads some.
He what?
He spread raw.
Oh, he said rawr, huh?
Boo, polar bear, roar.
Oh, and did you scare him away?
Boo, witch.
Did you scare the witch away?
Boo, witch. I scared him.
Oh, good.
The polar bear ran away.
That's good.
The witch ran away too.
Goodness, the witch ran away too, huh?
First, there's the king marching again.
Then the king Martian again. Okay.
And the princess marching again.
Uh-huh. And what did they do?
Jaguars march again.
And they march again.
First, there's through the cave.
First they go through the cave, and then what happens?
There's the mean wizard sleeping.
The mean witch is sleeping in the cave?
No,
No?
it's the wizard sleeping in the cave.
Oh, the wizard is sleeping.
Sure. Look at that paint.
There's pink. Is there any more to the story? Or is that the end?
One time, there was a beautiful king.
A beautiful king? And what did he do?